Yeah. Mer girls. I went fishing and caught mermaids. Look. They're going to grow big. Mer girls.
It's got a face, don't it?
Yeah, I like that.
Cloud in the sky.
Mm-hmm. Yay!
Oh, the windows are down.
It reminds me of that video.
Oh, I gotta roll the truck windows up. Ah!
Well, we didn't expect that. You want it all, but you can't have it. Hey, Mer girls. Hey, look, there's supposed to be some water for you and some Mer girls. Well, y'all need the rain. Well, y'all need the rain. Mer girls. Dang, the bottom just fell out of here. Mermaids. Hey, mermaids. Hey, y'all come up a little closer. We'll see you. Mermaids.
I got need water.
You got any water?
No.
Yeah, you'll be itching. You'll get chiggers. Hey, look, there's a non-mermaid.
Hey, I'll get one.
I'll buy you one when I get paid again.
You don't let me have water?
Yeah. I'll get you a mermaid costume.
I get one.
For Halloween, I'll get you some red hair dye with it. Hey, look at that. Fun, fun, fun. I would do that, but I don't want to get my phone wet in the rain. Because fun.
Did it quit?
I don't know. They're still
It's barely dripping.
barely dripping.
It's dripping.
Hey, mermaids.
I'm drinking water.
Well, mermaids need water. Mermaids need water. That's how they breathe and live.
No.
Yeah.
No.
That's how they breathe and live.
My hair wet.
See,
I'm okay.
look, that mermaid grew legs. Ursula gave her legs.
Now she can walk.
Yeah, but she can't. But she can't talk. Well, it's barely dripping. Well, I got a little phone right. Well, I got a little phone right here.
Look, that's the one in it.
You can. Hi, mermaids.
Hey, look! But I forgot to jump backwards.
Yeah, can you? Hey, do a frog in it.
I do frog. What happened?
See, do a frog.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Ribbit.
Look.
See you do a frog. Go ribbit.
I want that!
Hey, look, they're having a good time.
Hey, I'm jumping. May I take my shoes off? My shoes in there?
Let me get up close, so.
You got your shoes? Yeah.
Me go
Hi,
get them?
mermaid.
Oh, yeah, you can go get them.
I'll go get my shoes.
Go get your shoes. Wow. Can't go in there. It's a Lulu. It's a trap. It's a trap. It's a trap. You don't want to go in there. It's a trap. Hi.
Go get my shoes.
No.
No. She'll melt in the
Ooh, I like
rain.
a pretty toenail.
Well, she'll melt in the rain.
Why can't mine be pretty like that, Daddy?
Go get my shoes.
She'll melt in the rain.
Why you need them?
I need one.
You don't need your shoes.
I need one. I can't.
Better. Well, yeah,
The whole time you've been here.
you got feet.
I can't one.
Look at that mermaid in the road. Never seen this
Now
pretty.
get in the road. Get out of that road.
Yeah, y'all get
young
out of the
lady.
road. Don't get in the road. You'll be a squish mermaid.
You'll be a fish stick on the road.
Yeah, a dead one. A dead fish stick.
I don't got no minutes either for.
I know, and we're broke.
I'm broke. I'm broke.
I hate being broke.
I'm so broke I can't even pay attention.
Me too. Now look, they're hopping mermaids. I like it.
That rain feel good or is
Yeah.
it cold?